It's Project for Awesome time! Mr. Cheesy Pop! Hey everyone, it's Max, and it is once again Project for Awesome time. How is it already December? This is unbelievable. Well, this is a really wonderful time of year. If you don't know what Project for Awesome is, the link is below. Click it. You can find out all the information you ever wanted to know about Project for Awesome. There will be so many videos that will be talking about different charities for the Project for Awesome, and the charity I want to talk to you guys about today is Care to Knit. Care to Knit was started by my mom, so it's obviously a charity that means a lot to me and my family. And what Care to Knit is it's a charity that donates knitted and hand-crocheted items to those in need. These items go to hospitals, nursing homes, hospice, shelters, and the armed forces. In its over 10 years of existence, Care to Knit has donated over 40,000 items to those in need. And let me tell you, back in New York, where my parents live, the basement has become like the Care to Knit inventory. It's just crazy, the amount of knitted goods and yarn that are in the basement, especially this time of year, that come in, and then my mom goes and takes to shelters and hospitals, etc. So it's pretty amazing how the charity has grown and how much of an impact it actually does have. Another really cool thing is that there are now Care to Knit chapters in 8 different states all across the country. So knitting groups will get together, knit, and then donate their items. And this is happening in 8 different states. That's so cool. And anyone can start their own knitting group and donate to Care to Knit. So guys, if you're a knitter, leave a comment below, or if you know anyone that knits, definitely let me know. I've also included all the information about Care to Knit in the description, so go check it out, and you guys can really make a difference this season. And do go check out all the other videos that people are making for the Project for Awesome this year. It's such a great time of year. You can really make a difference and learn in the process about all the different charities and ways that you can actually help. That's what the season's about, right? It would mean a lot to me, guys, if you could share this video, like it, and vote for it in the Project for Awesome. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Have a magical day, everybody. Bye. Mr. Cheesy Pop!